Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best Thanksgiving turkey lifters forks stainless steel roasting tools you can get your hands on. The MTNZXZ 4-piece set that's built for serious barbecue lovers and turkey day champions. If you're ready to lift, carve, shred, and serve like a pro, stick around because this might just be your new favorite kitchen companion. Right out of the box, the MTNZXZ turkey lifting forks and meat claws set makes a solid first impression. The lifter forks are made with polished stainless steel, boasting 4 ultra-sharp prongs that don't just look professional, they perform like it too. They're long, sturdy, and won't bend under pressure, even when lifting the biggest bird on the table. The meat claws are molded from heat-resistant, BPA-free plastic capable of withstanding up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius. You can shred hot pork shoulders or handle freshly roasted chickens without worry. Each handle is ergonomically shaped for a firm, secure grip, and the phenolic resin used is both non-slip and heat-resistant, staying cool up to 400 degrees. Now let's talk about performance. These lifters make transporting turkeys from pan to cutting board a breeze. Whether you're dealing with a 10-pounder or a massive holiday bird, the forks offer a smooth, slip-free experience thanks to their sharp curvature and extra-long reach. No more awkward fumbling with tongs or risking accidents using regular forks. And then there are the claws. Once your meat is cooked, shredding becomes as easy as a few swipes. Pulled pork, roast beef, or even chicken breast, it all tears apart effortlessly. With these, you don't just serve meat, you dominate it. The design team clearly paid attention to the little things. Every tool in the set has a thoughtfully placed hanging loop, making storage clean and efficient. Whether you want to display them on a kitchen rack or keep them tucked neatly in a drawer, these tools won't take up unnecessary space. Plus, both the forks and claws are completely dishwasher safe, so cleanup is fast and painless. Anyone who cooks roasts, briskets, turkeys, or pulled meats regularly. If you're hosting Thanksgiving, this tool is a game changer. If you're the barbecue master at every cookout, this set gives you total control over your meat from pit to plate. It also makes a fantastic gift for dads, grillers, or that friend who takes Sunday roasts way too seriously. So here's the verdict. If you're after reliability, comfort, durability, and pro-level performance, the MTNZXZ turkey lifting forks and meat claws set delivers big. With its stainless steel construction, heat resistance, and ergonomic design, this tool set earns our stamp of approval. It's not just for Thanksgiving, it's a year-round kitchen essential. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique, helping you buy smarter.